Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to check bank statement on Access Bank. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Access Bank app, which of course I've done right here. Next is, where exactly can you find Access Bank mobile app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of the applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Access Bank and follow through with the on-screen instructions to download the mobile app. After downloading it, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either log in or to open an account by creating an account. So after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into the home page where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the Access Bank mobile app. All right, so once you get there, this is how you can check your bank statement on the Access Bank mobile app. Now, after logging in, it's going to take you right into the dashboard on the home page. So once you get there, locate the statement of account on the menu. So in your dashboard, you're going to find the statement of account tab. So click on that, and once you click on that, select the date range you wish to obtain in your statement of account. Now, after selecting the date range, then enter your PIN to authorize the request. Now the PIN is the PIN that you use in creating your account. So that 4-digit PIN, enter it to authorize your request. Now to open the PDF, you will need a password, which the instruction will be given on the statement of account. Now once you input the password, boom, your Access Bank statement of account for the specified period you requested will be in your front. So that's pretty much it. So log in and it takes you to your dashboard. Now from your dashboard, locate the statement of account on the menu, select the date range you wish to obtain in your statement of account, enter your 4-digit PIN to authorize the request. Now open the PDF. For you to open it, you will need a password, which instruction will be given in the statement of account. And once you input the password, boom, your Access Bank statement of account for the specified period you requested will be displayed on your screen. So this is pretty much how you can check the bank statement in Access Bank. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.